According to the new market research report by Fact.MR, the global lens cleaning product market is estimated to touch $13.86 billion in 2024. Sales are evaluated to increase at 3.8% CAGR to reach a valuation of $20.12 billion by the end of 2034. The need for corrective eyewear and contact lenses is driven by the rising incidences of vision issues, particularly in the elderly population, and as a result of extended screen time. The necessity for efficient lens cleaning solutions to preserve clarity and hygiene is growing as more people depend on these items. The demand for lens cleaning products is continuously increasing because of the growing market for digital cameras, cell phones, and other optical devices. East Asia is approximated to account for 26.6% of the worldwide market share of lens cleaning products in 2024 due to the increasing utilization of eyewear items, particularly among aged people. A major focus on innovations has been observed in the region in the last few years, and it is expected to grow at a significant pace.